Good evening, children. I have explained the physics and chemistry in 10th class. First time selected one easy chapter, acids, bases, and salts. You know, in the previous class, in 7th class, what are the acids? What are the bases? What are the acids? Acids are groups H plus ion or H3O plus ions. Bases are produce the OH minus ions. OH minus ions. Next, what are the difference of the acids and bases? Acids show in taste. Bases are bitter in taste to touch soapy water. Acids change the blue litmus to red litmus. Bases are change red litmus to blue litmus. The pH value of acids is less than 7. The pH value of bases are greater than 7. These three are acids and bases are differences in studying 7th class. Next topic is the natural indicators. What are the natural indicators? What are the example of natural indicators? Litmus, extracted red cabbage, turmeric solution, extracted petals of the sunflowers. What are the litmus? No, I have one word using. What are the litmus? Litmus solution is dye extracted from the lichen. Dye extracted from the lichen. That is called litmus. Litmus, extracted red cabbage, turmeric solution, extracted of flowers and petals. Colorful flowers. Colorful flowers. These are the natural indicators. Next, what are the synthetic indicators? Methyl RH, phenolphthalein, either synthetic indicators. Next one, chemical properties of acids and bases. Acids and bases. Take some chemicals in the laboratory, that is hydrochlorine, HCl, hydrosulfur, hydronitrate, HD, CH3COH, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COH. These are acids. Now, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, COH twice ammonia. These are bases. What are the example of base acids? HCl, HDSO4, HNO3, CH3COH. Acids. Bases are NaOH, KOH, MgOH twice, CaOH twice, NH for OH. It always OH the produce. These are our bases. The HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH dip in the substance. One drop of the any item put on the litmus paper, blue litmus paper, that is changed to red litmus. Blue litmus to red litmus. The bases are this all changes red litmus to blue litmus. Red litmus to blue litmus. Next, in the phenolphthalein, no colorless bases such as acids. In the phenolphthalein, no change the colors acids, but bases are changing red to pink. Red to pink color change in phenolphthalein. In the methyl orange solution, change to red color. These all are acids. Change to red color. These all now these all are changing to in the methyl orange solution yellow color. This is the chemical properties of the acids and bases. Next one important one, olfactory indicators. What is olfactory indicators? First, I will do one activity. Olfactory indicators. Put take the one onion and cut the small pieces. Keep in the plastic bag and also clean clothes strips. Keep in the plastic bag and the overnight keep the refrigerator or ice box. After next day, remove the plastic bag, take the clean cloth strips. Afterwards, the two clean cloth strips few drops of the diluted HCl, few drops of the diluted HCl in one clean cloth, few drops of the NaOH, one drop. But some color is changing, and also odor also changing. This is urine one color, but after one color coming, this is also one color coming. Now, what is olfactory? Some substance gives different odor with acids and bases. Some substance give different odors, acids and and bases are called olfactory indicators. Example, one active onion, clove oil, vanilla oil. Next, some acids and bases chemical formulas. HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2O3, nitric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. These are last one. CH3COH, acetic acid. These are the examples of the acids, strong acids. Next, this is only weak acid. Weak acid. Remaining are all very strong acids. Now, strong bases and strong acids play. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Potassium hydroxide, KOH. Magnesium hydroxide, Mg. OH twice, magnesium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Ammonium hydroxide, NH4 OH. NH4 OH. These all are strong bases. This is only weak base. Weak base. Here, chemical formulas are very important. First one, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Again, some chemical names. Na2CO3. This is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaCO3. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Calcium hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 twice. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. Glucose, C6H12O6. Glucose. Ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. One time observe children all. Remaining also so many formulas there in the chapter. I am explaining the topic wise. Bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda. This all are there. This is I am explaining next topic wise. Today we stop. Again next class is the activities 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you children.